guys. Good morning. Okay. Sorry for the late, guys. Okay, I'm in another session. Okay. Yeah. Let's start today's session. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Before starting the session, do you have any queries? First thing, you want to understand any points? Let me know. First, I'll clear. Any doubt, guys? Okay, no problem. Let's understand now. So, Power BI. Okay. So, the definition of Power BI is Power BI is business intelligence and data visualization tool. Okay, data visualization tool. So, visualization tool. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool which helps to connect to multiple data sources. Okay, to connect to multiple data sources which creates interactive reports and dashboards for business purpose. Okay, for business purpose. So you can say this definition. What is a Power BI? Power BI is a tool, as we know, okay, that is nothing but a business intelligence and data visualization tool which helps, Power BI can help us to connect to multiple data sources, as I said yesterday class. But if anybody missing, I'll tell you what is multiple data sources. First of all, data source is nothing but a what type of data source we are using to store our data. Okay, data sources in the market we have like Excel, what we know, CSV file. Those are file formats, guys. Okay, Excel file, CSV file, okay, JSON files, different PDF file. Okay, we have different file formats. Those are file formats, we can say. Okay, file formats. We have database formats also. Okay, so data sources means some organizations will use the databases. Those are like Oracle DB, okay, Oracle DB, SQL Server DB, MySQL DB. So they will use different, okay, MongoDB. We have different. And if you come to the cloud DBs, okay, Azure DB, we have Azure Data, okay, databases, AWS databases from Amazon side, Google Cloud we have. So these comes under like a databases, okay. Next we have categories, online services also, like from web application, online services we have web, you want to through link URL, okay, using URL you want to connect to some data, okay. So I'll tell you, don't worry, each one will connect in the classes, how we can connect to file format, how we can connect to database, how we can connect to online also, okay, web application or SharePoint online. So we have different options, okay. So whenever you open that, can you share your contact? I have some career related doubts which I need to discuss one to one. Okay, good. I'll share my number. If you want anything to discuss, please feel free to discuss with me. Okay. Next thing, how we can connect to, I'll tell you. Power BI is we have three components. Yesterday I have explained you, right? So Power BI has three components, main components. We have first one, Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop. Second thing, we have Power BI service. Power BI service. Next we have Power BI mobile apps. Okay, so Power BI mobile apps. So these are the very three important topics, guys. Okay. Cool. So Power BI desktop is a completely free application. As I said, it is free software. So anybody can download on their own laptops. Okay, they can start the development work. Okay. So as it's simple, you just go to the Google, Chrome or any browser. You can just click on Power BI desktop download. Click on that. You can click from the first page just, okay. It will show you, if you scroll down, English language and download. You just click on this download option. You choose which version. Your laptop configuration, check it. Is it 64-bit or is it 32-bit? If it is 64-bit, click on this, okay, checkbox and download. It is very simple. After downloading, you can able to see this option. Once if you open the Power BI desktop, you can able to see this window. Okay, so this is the Power BI desktop whenever you open the first time, guys. Okay, so once you open the Power BI desktop, you see there is a untitled, if you see. Okay, same like whenever we open the notepad or Excel, it will show you, right, that there is no save. We can save this Power BI desktop as a file format. I'll show you file. If you go to save, apply later, I'll do any changes we can do it. So I am doing some demo. Okay. Now if you observe, this is demo Power BI desktop. The file name is saved here. Okay. Now whenever you open the Power BI desktop, you can see there is a white color window if you see here. Okay. So let me delete this. This white color window will help you to create, okay, to create a visualizations. We have lots of visuals. Power BI is a visualization tool, right? So that's why we have visualizations here to create different charts. This is a pie chart, guys. This is donut chart, okay, tree map, card visual, gas chart, Azure map, shape map, filter, slicers, okay. We have table, metrics, we have different. In the upcoming classes, we'll discuss everything one by one, visual, okay. But just I'm hoping now I'm just explaining what type of, whenever you first time open the Power BI desktop, you can able to see what are the options. This white page, where is a development work, and there is a three options here, report view and data view and one more model view. Okay, so as I said, now we have data sources are different formats, right? Let me show you. Okay, if you see the get data option in Power BI desktop under home icon, okay, you can see get data. Click on more option. How to first extract the data from the Power BI desktop. Okay, using get data option, we can extract the data from multiple data sources. Okay, so Power BI will help you. One table can extract from Excel file, one table can extract from databases, and one table from online services. So this way you can connect to different data sources and combine those three tables to make the visualizations interactive, guys. Okay, so that way we can download from different file. Means, as I said, we have XML folder, okay, text file, JSON file, SharePoint folder. Like this, we have different. Come to database, we have different databases. IBM, SQL Server, as I said, Amazon, Snowflake. Okay, We have different MariaDB. If you observe, there are different databases we have. Next, we have Azure Cloud also. Okay, Azure, inside Azure Cloud, we have different platforms. Okay, so to connect to those platforms, we can select what we need. We want to connect it. So don't worry, whenever you join the organization, they will help you for the first time, okay, to connectivity and everything. But just they will ask you till now what type of data sources you have connected to PowerBI. Excel file, you can say whatever you connected. I connected Excel bits, okay, you connected Excel. You have some idea they want, okay. Next, online services. Using SharePoint, okay, or you can check it. Plenty of options we have here. Next, other. If not this, you can connect it to others as well. From the website. Okay, you can connect it to different data sources. So this is the way we can connect it to. Power BI has a great functionality that we can connect it to multiple data sources, guys. Okay, so this Power BI was introduced by Microsoft. Okay, as I said, that's why we can call it as a Microsoft Power BI. Okay, Microsoft Power BI. We have the certification for Power BI also. After learning this, you can did any course also. Okay, Microsoft Power BI was developed by Microsoft company in the year of 2013. Okay, it came very late into the market, but it is more demanding compared to other tools. Okay, if you take a graph of that, okay, so you can observe here. Okay, you can go to Google, search that Power BI there is a some comparison graph, guys, so you can see and observe. Once again, I'll show you. So Tableau came before Power BI, but Power BI is the most demanding on that. Okay, so compared to that, both has some pros and cons. Okay, but whenever you check it, okay, Power BI came into the market very late, but its graphs is like a usage of the Power BI in different organizations. It's very high. Okay, so that's why most demanding data visualizations tool we can see. Okay, so okay, no problem. So Power BI came into the market very late, but it's tremendously used in the market side. Okay, we can see. Now, compared to Power BI, see why we need Power BI in the market compared to Tableau. So Power BI can handle large volume of the data also. Okay, it can handle advantages of Power BI. I can say using this. First of all, very important topic is visualizations. Okay, interactive visuals we can, okay, visuals, different visuals, and not only visuals, but you can import from the market also different visuals. Okay, so lots of visuals we can create it. Okay, and next thing we have advantages, data volume wise. Okay, we can connect to n terabytes of the data also. Okay, data huge volume also we can handle it. Okay, and we can create UI design very clearly in the using Power BI service. Very interactive UI design we can create. Okay, UI design perspective also. Okay, I'll tell you what is UI design everything, but don't worry. I'm just giving data volume size, UI size, okay, and visual level, and creating data models also. Okay, data model will be the heart for Power BI. Okay, so why data model means we have multiple tables. Okay, for example, one source from Excel, one source from database, one source from online. Now you want to make these three tables For example, one project using same format, one project using database format, one project using online. Okay. Now the CEO want combine all the data and make a one data model, create some report. Okay. Each report contains all the information of the three projects data. Okay. So using relationships, we can create this data model to interact to all the data from each project. Okay. So instead of going each project wise design, we are making centralized way. Okay, we are making one centralized way. So if you see now in Power BI, okay, in Power BI, we can connect to two different data sources. After connecting, you can see the field section. Okay, here the table will load. Okay, let me open the Power BI new file. We will understand it. Let me close this. So this is the icon. Once if you download, open the Power BI desktop, double click on that. It's opening. It will take a little bit time. For the first time, it will take. Okay, you don't click on multiple times. Maybe it is not opening at all. Okay, don't click multiple times. In organizations also, once you join the any company also, don't click on multiple because the performance go down. Okay, tool. It is a tool. That's why it made because the all the components need to load means it will take some time. Okay, because all the things are in the grouping in a one tool, right? So that's while going upcoming classes, you will understand why it is taking time. Okay. So whenever you open the first time, it will show this. Okay, this yellow color pop-up will show you. You can cross check. Okay, just they will tell you what are the updates available. One more thing, Power BI every month they will release their features. Okay, every month they will release some features. Okay, but like in we have mobiles right updating software. Same way we have in Power BI also. One second, I'll bring the charger. Which one? Okay. So first time whenever you open the Power BI desktop, this pop-up window will open. Why means when every month Power BI desktop will give you the updates, guys. Okay. So the new features they will add, like new visualizations they are implementing. Okay, they have created. What is the advantages of that? Okay, we can learn and use that. Okay, in the upcoming projects. So that's why, and they will release every month the updates. Okay. So once if you open the Power BI desktop, okay, you can see here page 1. So in the Excel sheet, how we have page 1, page 2, page 3. Here also we have like page 1, page 2, page 3. Means each page you can create n number of visuals here. Okay, you can create different visuals. And here you can create n number of visuals. Here also you can create n number of visualizations. Okay, this is completely the development part, guys. Okay, now whenever you see here, there is a report view, okay, and data view, model view, 3 views. Okay, whenever you open the Power BI desktop, data view, model view, 3 views can be visible. Report view completely for development purpose. Data view, whenever you want to see the data, once the data connected to any data sources, you want to see what is the table structure. Okay, how many columns it contains, how much the data is there, you can see in the table view. And here in the data model view, relationships, creating between the relationship between the tables. Okay, don't worry if you don't understand, also no problem. Each and every point I'll explain you thoroughly in the upcoming classes. Okay, now let's point to any data source. So I'm connecting to Excel database using get data option. So click on that. After clicking on that, I want to select any one of the database. So just observe BTS dashboard. I'm going to click. So I have data, vehicle number, transport ID, wave bridge. Okay, you can preview here. Okay, what type of data. So let me open this file. This raw data I will provide you to practice, guys, or you can download if you have from the Google or somewhere. Okay, if you want, I will provide you the raw data to connect to data in Power BI to get data option, and you can do using this data, creating reports, creating data models, okay, creating transformations. We can practice. So once you select this table, okay, Excel file, we have different sheets. Just observe, sheet 1 contains what type of data. Okay, it contains serial number, device ID. Okay, some information is there. Okay, let me first load this table. There is a icon. If you see options, load, transform data, cancel. Okay, so I want to load this data into my Power BI. Okay, so click on the load option. It will take a little bit 1 or 2 minutes to load the data. Okay, it's loading. After loading the data, you see in the fields section. Okay, fields in the sense, okay, whatever you are connecting to the data, Power BI, everything will store it as a table format. Okay, a table contains columns and rows. Okay, see, some people don't know SQL, so that's why I'm telling you. If no, okay, please, okay, understand. Some people only they are coming from maybe non-IT people. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just telling you. Power BI, everything will store it as a tabular format. Okay, a table contains columns and rows. Okay, so same way in the Power BI, if you observe, sheet 1 is a table name. If you want to see the column names, you just click on this arrow button, expand it. Okay, so these are all the column names, guys. Okay, and you want to see the tabular structure view. As I said, here we have report view, data view. Click on data view. You can see the entire table name with the column name, same like Excel type. Okay, 1 second, it will load. Data is loading. See, these are the data. Okay, so we have device IDs, It's loading. Yeah, it's loading. So once if you remove the null values, we have so many blank values. See, this way we can view the data in the Power BI once loaded into data in Power BI. Okay, so we can view the data view. I'm just giving idea how we can create a simple report in Power BI using some data. Okay, don't be confused, ma'am. I'm not understanding it. Don't worry. This is not actual class. It's just for demo. We can learn it from Monday onwards. The actual classes. Okay. So next move to report view. So in the report view, we can create different visualizations. Okay. Before creating visualizations, you should understand the data first. Okay. What type of data I have. So based on that, what type of visualizations I can create. Okay. I have serial number, device ID, driver information, description, group ID, from zone ID to zone ID means from starting point and from ending point. My exit number time. Okay. I have distance, which how many kilometers. Okay, the vehicle has started. I have some information related to vehicles. Okay, right? Deviation count, violation count. Okay, minimum plant hours. Okay, reference route number. Okay, I have something called vehicle numbers. Okay, so vehicle tracking details I have here. Okay, so now I want to see which drivers are highly we can say long distance went. Okay, or short distance. I want to identify with the driver ID. Okay, driver info using. Okay, so how we can do? We can create a pie chart or we can create a bar chart. You just select it and I am going to give driver info. Okay, after this distance total. Okay, let me see in the data view total kilometers where I have distance. I have distance column. Okay, so click on this distance, drag and drop. Okay, you have to drag and drop. See, automatically whenever you give the fields means columns into here based upon the inside data, it will automatically do that. Okay, driver info blank, its count of distance is 5. Okay, so if you want to, I don't want to count distance count, you want, you can make it. Okay, so I'll tell you difference between count and distinct count. Okay, so this person how much. Okay, everybody is small only. Okay, you can see here. So like this, we can make it creating different charts. Okay, this is one chart. Now I'm going to create a table chart also. Okay, my table contains information about. You can make it after using the corners, big size, small size, as your wish. You can create different visualizations. For example, device ID. I'm giving. Next distance, which device ID went to how much distance. Okay, and the who is the driver details I want to see, and which zone it is traveled. Okay, so these type of information we can provide in the tabular view also. Okay, so and if you want to create pie chart also, you can create it. Okay, so pie chart contains legend. Okay, for example, highest number of device IDs. Okay, legend, we have different device IDs, and I want to see the based upon count of the distance. Okay, so I want only, if you see how much this device ID blank contains count of distance 300. Okay, so device ID this 1%, this is also 1%. Okay, so we can see visualizations, different visuals. I'm just giving simple idea like it to create how we can create, just drag and drop, we can do that and work on. Okay, slicer. So whenever you want to filter the data also using device ID, we have lots of device IDs. Whenever you want to select a particular device ID, so the interaction between the tables, okay, if you see visuals, interaction between the visualizations. So it's easy and simple. That's why Power BI is a very interactive visualization. Okay. Is this first demo or already some demos completed? This is second demo streaming. Okay. So you can refer the first one through Gmail. They have already sent. Okay. This is second demo. Okay. But don't worry. I will everything cover in the from actual start points. Okay. So each point, okay, we won't miss anything. Small point also we will discuss complete end to end. You should learn Power BI. That I want. Okay. In the 45 days of the course. Okay. So this way we can interact the different kind of visualizations. Okay. So now the main advantages of Power BI, as I said, interactive session as a user friendly. You can create different okay visualization and different color codings also. You can change it how we can, how the size, how the naming convention, format things, everything we can do it. Okay. So to make it very good shape of the report. Okay. So this is the Power BI desktop complete information. Okay. Like for the first view, whenever you view, this is completely for development work, and we have three views: report view, data view, and the model view. Okay. Model view, I have only one table. Now whenever you have another table, you can create the relationship between these two tables. Okay. Under field section, you can see table name along with all the column names. Okay. And in the filter section, we can see all the filters. Okay. Here applied. I'll tell you each what is a filter, what is a visualizations here we have. Okay. How to we are giving drag and drop. Okay. And here in the home icon, what are the options we have? Insert icon, what are the options? Okay, everything will come out. Okay. Up to here, any doubts, guys? Up to here. If you have any doubts, please feel free, ask me. If you have small doubt also, maybe if I ask anything will happen. No, nothing. Okay. So feel free, you can ask at any day. Not now also, you want personally connect with me also. Okay. The course duration is, guys, 45 days. Okay, 45 days of the course. And each day, okay, each day I will give you the recording session. We will provide the recording session. Each day I will cover interview questions always. Okay, I will cover interview questions also. Okay. And course content, if you want, please connect with the already contact in the chart window. If you see, contact details are given, right? So they will provide you the course content. Okay, what we are going to learn complete end to end with the real time work. Okay, with the real time project as well. Okay, how we can create one complete end to end Power BI report. Okay, and I will cover each day whenever the topic over. We can discuss at a time. I will tell you this is very important topic for the interview purpose or and in the real time also. So I will cover it each day. Okay, and we assignments also. Okay, I will give you few assignments on weekly basis. You should prepare those assignments. Okay, like in Power BI desktop. Okay, so you have to practice here and show me the output of that, how we can show that. So that way I will give you. Okay. So this is demo link, right, for today onwards. So Monday onwards, okay. Monday onwards, the link will be changed. The link will be changed with the paid link. Okay, whoever pays that paid link only will get it. Okay. So this is the complete structure, guys. If you have any doubt related to course or anything, okay. So, but I can assure if you learn this Power BI, okay, you can applicable to completely like a BI developer or Power BI developer positions, okay. So you can apply to these jobs, okay, Power BI developer or BI developer, analyst, data analyst also, okay, data analyst. If you learn any one of the data visualization tool, you can applicable to Tableau development also, any development, because if you know all the naming conventions, everything is similar there. Okay, Just you have to identify the shaping is different, guys. That's it. Okay. Maybe here they have kept it visualization. They are in tablet somewhere else. Okay. So that's it. But development is completely similar. Okay. So that I can assure you. Okay. So somebody says to me, can we do certification with these course? Yes, definitely you can do the certification after learning, completing the course on this. Okay, we have the market, right? There is a Microsoft side, we have the certification, you can do that. Any doubts?
So you're going to cover Power BI mobile apps as well, part
Yeah.
of the course?
Yes, definitely. Complete course means mobile apps also includes.
Yep, thank you.
Complete Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power BI mobile apps. Okay, end to end is Power BI. Okay, so you will able to identify each and every part. Okay, and you can, I can assure you can clear any interview also after learning this. Okay, Power BI, because in every topic I'll cover the interview questions also immediately. Okay, how many days it will take to complete the SQL server? Okay, SQL server it is 45 days. I mean, depends, guys. Okay, if you are learning very quickly, okay, it not depending on the anyone, you can learn your own, that is dependent. Okay, 45 days usually. Okay, so a Power BI also 45 days, SQL 30 to 45 days, I can say.
So 45 days includes Saturdays and Sundays as well?
No, not include working days only, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday means 5 days, right? Okay, you can divide that 45 days by 5. Each week 5 days. Okay, means 20 days on monthly.
One other question, do we also have these days, I heard about, Power BI reporting hosted on Azure.
Fabric.
Yeah, Azure. So it's cloud-based reporting services.
Yes.
So
That is Power BI service, cloud-based.
service, yeah. So, okay, that I want just confirmation on that. Thank you.
Power BI service is nothing but a cloud-based. That's why I have not
Cloud-based.
mentioned here. It's a
Yeah.
cloud-based application, Power BI service. We will learn this also in the later. It is not a free software, it is a paid software. Through Outlook account, free trial, Microsoft will provide you 60 days. That's why I'm not telling now. Once the development completely we learn, we will go to the Power BI service. Next topic. Okay.
And one more question I have is, these days, the AI-based things are also coming into picture, right? So is Power BI going to also enables those kind of AI-based chat GPT-based kind of things?
That is Copilot now, not now. We are also working on that. Okay, with the Microsoft actually in my company. That is Copilot. Okay, that I'll tell you in the end of the session. Copilot is coming, but if see now, yeah, whenever the Copilot is also coming, UI design it won't automatically do that. Okay, whenever we want to do some calculations using DAX functions, we have to write it. Okay, Copilot now they are doing the research on that. It's not implemented completely. It's in initial phase now. It will take time, at least 2 to 3 years to come. Okay, it's including in Power BI. That is a Power BI desktop only Copilot.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to.
We are doing the research that kind. Okay, even I'm also involved in that. Yeah, to make it simple. Okay, the Power BI. Any questions, guys?
One other final question I have is, so this is specific to Power BI, right? There is also one more course which is called Data Analytics, which has also been covered. I see that it is covered Power BI, some
Yes,
some MySQL and Excel. Plus, I think there is some other, I think Python or something there also.
yes.
So this is only specific to Power BI, and what is the difference? I just want to understand.
Uh,
So
Very good question, guys. See, data analysis is irrespective of the any course you learn. Okay, data analysis is it's completely we are analyzing the data. Okay, once you get it data from anywhere, okay, any tool, okay, you import to Excel, you import to Power BI, you import to Python, anywhere. Analysis in the sense after coming the raw data, how you are cleaning the data, okay, to make it meaningful, okay, to make it meaningful using some transformation in the sense changes. For example, the data type in a column is not coming properly, okay, it contains some duplicate values, how you will remove the duplicate values, okay, those kind of transformations, guys. Okay, data analysis comes under Power BI data analyst, you can do that. Excel data analyst, you can do that. Python analyst. Okay, we have different data analytical tools. Okay, using anything we can do the data analysis. Okay, whatever we do in Power BI, it's like because Power BI is a data visualization along with the data analysis part. Okay, but Python script only for data analysis. After that, you want to give that code to any tool. We can use that after that endpoint, either machine learning. If you are coming to the data scientist, you will forward that data into machine learning or something else. Okay, so data analysis completely irrespective of the any tool. Okay, whichever you want to choose. If you are learning Power BI, you want to analysis in Power BI level. Okay, as a for the business. Okay, so completely it's for understanding the data and do it analysis to make it more sense to the business. Okay, so that's the
thank you.
any question, guys? Okay, then we'll catch up on Monday class, same timings. Okay, the actual class will starts. Okay, so every day, please make sure download the Power BI desktop. Feel free reach out to me if you are not able to download. I can help you. Okay, but please make sure you download this software. Okay, so because most Power BI is not a theoretical concept, guys. It's completely practical. Okay, completely practical from scratch to development to end. Okay, so if you learn theoretical until unless you practice, you won't get the idea. Okay, how to do and all. In the interview also, some people will ask you open your Power BI report, create some DAX function or something, they will ask you. Okay, like that also. So that's why it's more on practical things. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for the joining the session.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Yeah, chalo, bye bye.